In this class, you will learn how to wear hoodie, animated in 3D. You will be able to place your design, your print inside it. Here, okay, passing on the screen for you, the example of how the final result looks like. The quality is really very high. Below the video is our website, with the 3D models that have available. Okay, there will be the hoodie model. You will receive this file compressed here. We're putting it right in. And we'll come here to extract here. Just wait here to decompress the file. Here, okay, the uncompressed file. We will, okay, opening this folder. And here we'll have the files. Our model, okay. All models. There are always two folders here that we don't move. And have this Photoshop file and this Blender file are the two tools you have to have so you can use, here, the 3D models. We will open the model in Photoshop first here. What is this model? Here you can using or Photoshop, or also Photopea, who is an online editor, which is also free. And in case the Blender, it is free too. Okay, just to let you know that here in Photoshop, you will already be able to see, as it is in the case of the sliced sweats, right? He okay sliced into several parts. From the front, the back, the one with the left and right sleeve. Then, already have the locations here for you to know. You can disable and activate, turning that eye on here. In these locations, just so you know where it is. We also have the color of our sweats that we can click 2 clicks here and change the color for the color we want. Then I'll change it, okay? And here is also a test, right, that I left ready here. You can delete this test if you want. I left this folder here with various designs, ready for me to facilitate my creation. So we're going to get a hoodie here. I will take, for example, this print here. I will drag, play for Photoshop, increase her size a little and put she in the back. Remembering that I can link the references here and see where it is back, in the case here and the front here. So I will put here. I will turn off, for now, the visualization of references. I already know this is behind. I'm going to increase this print a little bit here. It's great. In the folder here, I will put another print. Now I'm going to get this print here. I'm going to drag it, rotate it, and put it here in the sleeve too. I will give 2 clicks here on this print, as I'm going to enter Photoshop layer styles here, and I'll turn on a color overlay. Call here and enter here for this option. And put here the purple color that's here in this part. Also, to keep combining, so I'll give you an OK here too. We already have this print here, so I'm going to give a button on this print here with the sleeve. And I'm going to duplicate this layer up here, drag and put her here too. Ready. We already have the left and right sleeve design. I'll get this print here. I'm going to drag it out and put it in front of our hoodie. She's blank, so she's not showing up. I will again, no. Enter here in layer styles, giving 2 clicks on the layer, turn on color overlay. He turns purple here too. Then apply all prints. You can apply as many prints as you want. The locations you want. If you want lower, we will already see how it looks on the 3D model. Here also have the chords. It's that hoodie, okay? You can be painting them, so I'm going to create a new layer here. Empty. With nothing. On this layer, I'll get the brush tool anyway. In the purple color we want here. This color right here, okay? I will call here in this mode, and I'll let opacity and flow 100%, and I'll stop by this part. Doesn't care to pass. Just fill in. It's on top of that design. On top of these areas here, right? You see here that has this little string here. Let me leave it black here for you to see. Right here, okay? So I will select layer 1. I'm going to pass over that chord, right? On top of this one too. I passed over the 2. Now I can come here in hoodie color, only I left it black, and I will leave it blank again, and ready. Now the chords will be 2. In purple color. Made changes. We will come here and file save in Photoshop. Saved file in Photoshop. Beauty can leave it open if you want. Come here in the folder again. Open Blender 3D hoodie file now. This file here, we open it. And here we already have our hoodie in 3D, okay? And to connect the texture, that texture that we just edited here at Photoshop, it's just us came up here in the Blender. Have these balls. We will select the last ball. What is the ball that binds the texture? It updates the texture so it will turn on. We will wait to load and that's it. Then our front print. There with the print that we defined that time. There will be this noise. It's because here is the preview. Then we will render and then it will disappear. The noise will go away. Here is the preview to make it lighter. It looks just like that beauty. We can click with mouse scroll. On top of this area here. Click with mouse scroll. Click and drag. We can see from behind the hoodie. On the sleeves here, that design we put here. The front part, we can zoom in with the scroll. Just scrolling. We can rotate here and see how the position turned out. And design sizes, okay? This is very important for you to see if everything is right. For example, here at the front, I think the print got too big. So what I do, I come back in Photoshop. I take here, for example, the front print. I select the layer it has. In the case here, this layer, and I will resize. Decreases the size of this print, so I put more or less like this. For example, comes in Save File, saved this file. Come back here to the Blender again. And now not updated. It's the same size yet. It's because we have to correct the texture. To update, we go back to this first ball that we are going to put in this mode without texture and go back to texture mode again. So we update the texture. And ready. Now yes, this print got much smaller. And it's the way I wanted already, beauty. You can also click on this camera to view the position. Really going be rendered right. What is this front position? What we can change is also the background color. It will render a black background color. We can select BG here above in the Blender. Came down here on the last material option. Click here on the color base. Take this from here to white, then it will render in the white background color, right? Or now in white here also came the colors. So if you drag, for example, this pink here will yield in this pink color. You can put a purple, for example. It will turn purple here too. You can put whatever color you want here as well. Or if you also want black again, you just drag again down here and it will already be in black. So then you select the color you want. Or if you want to render in black or white, there will be the option you want, beauty. In this model we have two options. We can render it 360 degrees animated or 360 degrees stops. You're showing two videos out front. For you to understand animated, it's really the animation option she's walking on. And the stop is just her spinning, really. It will depend on what you want to do and what is the application you want to use, beauty. And to activate one of the options to people first have to deactivate that we are currently using, which for example here is animated, right? We are in this option. We turn off the eye and the camera here. Have to turn both off. And turn on the eye and camera of the option we want. In the case here, you have the option 360 stop. We can use this option here, for example. Okay, I'll turn it off again here. I'm going to turn on the option I wanted initially, which is 360 animated, and also has this other option, which is animated 0. Means it doesn't rotate. She doesn't do the rotation, but she walks forward. So the back print doesn't appear. Now we will configure the file output. Very important. We click on this icon here. Here you will configure the resolution of the video you want. You can be changing these values here. If you want, here will be the folder where the file will be saved. We are going to click on this little pastry here. And here is where you will select where will the file be saved. So you can put it here on the desktop. In the documents, our downloads, I already checked out a folder that's on my desktop that I created a folder called Render Video. What is this folder here? Render Video. Okay, then you create a folder in the work area and can select it. So it's here now. I will name this file. Then it will be Hoodie. I put the name here, Hoodie Video, and I will click here on Accept. And ready. These are the settings. Now we will put to render, which is the process of actually creating the video. It's going to get this 3D that's here on our screen. We'll animate and put the video. And the first thing I tell you to make this process lighter is to put it in this mode again without the texture. For now, it leaves without the texture. That he won't stay in the preview here. Beauty, you come up here now in rendering. Click here on render animation and you're done. Here you will start rendering. Turn this from here really into a video, and will be saved in this folder. You can see that you have already created the file. Still can't execute him, because he's rendering here. So we have to wait for this process to end. And then you can open this video here in the folder, ready here on our already finished rendering. Can close it now. I came here in the folder where the file is, and the video file has already been generated. We can open this file, finished in high quality, with our applied design, customized in our way. With the right effect, walking here, which was the selected option. And also the video is looping, so it starts and ends the same way. And this result remains really cool and very professional. And we didn't ask. Down here, in the description, has the link with all available models in 3D that we have at the moment.